Did you notice there are over 200,000 Bluetooth speakers listed on Amazon India? And the most commonly searched type of Bluetooth speakers are those under 1500 rupees. Now, Lenovo is extracting as much juice as it can out of Motorola's reputation. So why not extend this to Bluetooth speakers under 1500? Now, don't get me wrong, not all products that Lenovo has launched under Moto's brand name are inferior. In fact, some of them are really good value for money. But according to me, this one, despite being cheap, just isn't. But there is some good stuff about it. The speaker's rounded without any sharp pointed edges, and because of that compact size, it's actually pocketable so that you can take it quite a few places with you. You can take it to another room, another house, on the road, in the garden, or near the sea. Also, the buttons to control this are really clicky. And I actually wouldn't mind spending a couple of $100 on this just to use it like a fidget cube or a cuboid. But to spend 1300 rupees for the audio part, I don't think it's worth it. I think there are two main things I would expect from a speaker at this size and price point. Number one, for it to be loud enough to fill something like this, a small room. And number two, to be balanced and clear enough to actually enjoy listening to music on it. And for me, the Moto just can't do either. Even at 100%, it's just not loud enough. And in fact, sometimes just sitting 7 feet away from the speaker made me strain to listen to the audio coming from some YouTube videos. I think I know at this price what to expect and what other speakers offer.
हम तो उड़ गए उड़ गए उड़ गए.
And considering the other speakers I've heard, I am disappointed at what this speaker delivers. The high pitch or high frequency sounds that come from this can be a bit too harsh at times. And also the overall sound is slightly muffled. It's like there's a cloth covering the speaker that's only allowing the high frequency sounds to pass through and is sort of blocking everything else. Now these issues left me disappointed, and it honestly just urged me to use my inbuilt phone speaker instead. But the good thing of having those 200,000 speakers on Amazon is that there are better options. So I'll leave links to a couple of speakers that I own and listen to that are better to buy at this price, whether you're looking for something pocketable or something larger but compact. And I think unlike the Moto, any of those other speakers will be worth your money. Thank you so much for your viewing time, and I hope to see you soon.